Welcome. Today, we're diving into how you can launch your own real estate YouTube channel from scratch. First things first, identify your niche. Are you into luxury real estate, rentals, or maybe commercial spaces? Setting up your account is straightforward. Ensure your branding reflects your unique style and business identity. Let's talk about equipment. A good camera, microphone, and proper lighting can drastically improve your video quality. Content is king. Think about what your audience wants to see: property tours, market insights, or tips for buyers. Optimizing your video's title, description, and tags will help it reach a wider audience on YouTube. Don't forget to promote your channel on social media. Share your videos, engage with followers, and network. Engagement matters. Respond to comments and build a community around your channel. Regularly check your analytics to understand what works and refine your content strategy moving forward. Finally, explore monetization options like YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing to earn revenue.